Welcome to MVB Garage, and today, we're diving into one of the most exciting reveals in the performance car world, the 2026 BMW M2. Buckle up, because this machine has been turning heads ever since BMW pulled the covers off, and for good reason. Let's talk about what makes this next generation M2 such a standout in the evolving world of compact performance coupes. The 2026 M2 arrives with a sharper, more muscular design that builds on the aggressive stance of its predecessor. BMW has refined the front fascia with sleeker headlights and a more integrated kidney grille that, thankfully, hasn't grown into the monstrous proportions we've seen on some other models. The lines are clean, angular, and purposeful, giving the car a modern, athletic edge while still staying true to the M legacy. Under the hood, BMW has kept the magic alive. The 2026 M2 retains the turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine, but it's now been tuned to deliver even more punch. We're talking about an estimated 480 horsepower, up from the outgoing model's 453 horsepower. That extra bump, combined with improvements in weight distribution and chassis tuning, means better responsiveness, more agility, and a 0 to 60 mph time that dips closer to the 3.8-second mark. This car is not just about raw power though, it's about control, balance, and the thrill of a well-engineered machine. One of the biggest wins for enthusiasts is that BMW continues to offer the M2 with a 6-speed manual transmission. In a world rapidly shifting toward automatics and electrification, the M2 stands proudly as one of the last analog sports cars. Of course, for those who prefer lightning-fast shifts, an 8-speed automatic is available too. No matter the choice, power is sent to the rear wheels, preserving the classic BMW driving dynamics we all know and love. Step inside and you're met with a driver-focused cabin that's both high-tech and performance-oriented. The iDrive 9 system takes center stage, housed within a sleek curved display that merges digital instrumentation and infotainment. BMW has also stepped up the materials and customization options, offering M-specific bucket seats, carbon fiber trim, and even augmented reality features that assist with navigation and performance telemetry. It's clear that the M2 is no longer just about performance, it's a high-end experience from the inside out. Chassis tuning and suspension have been recalibrated for the 2026 model, making the ride stiffer, more communicative, but still livable for daily driving. BMW has added more adaptive tech to allow drivers to switch from a calm cruiser to a track-day monster at the press of a button. From the improved steering feedback to the enhanced braking system, every part of this car has been engineered with precision and passion. In short, the 2026 BMW M2 is more than just a facelift, it's a declaration that the spirit of driving is still alive and well. Whether you're a longtime M fan or someone eyeing your first performance coupe, the new M2 is a thrilling, refined, and emotionally charged machine that promises to deliver every time you hit the road. Thanks for watching MVB Garage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive deep dives. See you in the next one.